What up, YouTube? Well, today we're gonna put, I'm excited for this one, a carbon fiber hood onto the Mazdaspeed 3, and because it's silver and with the black, it's gonna look epic, dude. It's gonna be honestly my most expensive exterior mod that I'm ever gonna own in my life. I traded my S4 Turbo for it, and it's gonna, hopefully there's no fitment issues, but we'll kind of get there when we get there. But took the hood off, as you can see. That was pretty easy taking off the hood. I just, hopefully we don't have any fitment issues right here. When we'll get to that part. We basically have to go home, pick up the hood, come back, and then see if everything's easy to put on. The only thing I'm worried about is this intercooler piping. It does hit the OEM hood over there, so I might need to cut that first, but I don't know. We'll kind of see what happens when I get the hood over here. I'm excited for this mod. Stay tuned, boys. Things are gonna look fire, man. Now I can't be lazy and have to hand wash my car every time. I can't use I can't use those, brushes anymore because it's bad for paint. But I always, I don't give a fuck about my paint. My shit's all dinged up, scratched, beat. But now with that carbon fiber hood, gives me that reason to really not go to those spots and mess up the paint more. And bro, when I get it wrapped purple with that hood, oh my god, I'll show you the hood when I get to my house real quick. So we're in my dad's truck because this is the only thing that's gonna be able to take it. So I got it back there, just kind of hanging. Carbon fiber cracks real easy, real fast. So I'm just taking my time. I'll get there in like 40 minutes, but shit, hopefully I don't crack it. Okay, boys, I got the hood onto the car, and I'm not so excited. Thing looks horrible. Honestly, I think it's rep. I don't think it's a Sabian actual hood. I could be wrong, but just from the front end, it just does not look. I need to take it to a body shop, and honestly, I don't want to fuck with it now. It's fine how it is. I might take it off. I might just leave it on. I'm not too sure because the gaps on it is ridiculous. Let me show you how it looks like. It looks good from afar. But once you get close, dude, it's just embarrassing. It's embarrassing. I'm gonna put the stock hood back on, but I'll kind of show you right now. And there it is, boys. I don't know if you can see the difference from back here. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I'll start zooming closer in and showing you yeah, you can see it from here, how it kind of gaps out. I could fix that issue with the gaps with hood pins and kind of lower the hood down more, but as you can see, look at that alignment. And the worst part is the front. Look at that shit. That does, you see how it kind of dips, goes right here, and then it dips in, and then it goes out, and then it dips in and goes out. That's what makes me think it's fake shit. I'm not too sure. Someone can put in comments below. Hopefully I just lined it wrong, but that shit looks fucked. Honestly, I kind of want to just keep it on because, like I said, from afar, it looks pretty dope. It looks alright. Or I can just put the OEM hood on and then gloss dip it carbon fiber too, if I really wanted to. But yeah, that's just kind of my opinion. Yeah, like I said, leave a comment in the section below, and I don't know. Tell me how you guys think of it. I need to get my RPF ones back. I'll get those when I can. Never trade friends' wheels, because at the end of the day, shit just, what if you pop a wheel, curb rash shit, and that's the stupid shit I'm dealing with right now. But honestly, the Speed looks dope, bro. And yeah, even if the hood doesn't fully sit too well on the car, I kind of dig it. I kind of dig it still. even if, like, you know, like I said, like the fitment's horrible. But like I said, if I just put some hood pins, it should fix kind of that dip right here. But I'm not really sure. Should I go back to the OEM or just have shitty ass fitment? Like I said, again, leave comments down below. And yeah, we'll get to it. And next video is gonna be a real great video. I'm excited for y'all, dude. Just big things are coming to this quickly. And yeah, man, I'm excited. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.